Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have the Flair Smart Vent System. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first let me tell you what you need to know about all of these things. So first of all guys, we have the bridge and we have the puck, okay? And what these do is similar things, but a little bit different. In order to control the whole entire system, you need to at least have one puck or you need to have a bridge. Now what the bridge does is it's merely just a bridge, like it says. It connects all your systems together, connects all the sensors together, and it's able to communicate to open and close. What the puck does is it's similar. You can run the whole system off just a puck, but it's not gonna have as much range and you can only run a certain amount of vents off of one puck. I recommend getting the bridge because it's gonna increase the distance. If you have a larger house, a taller house, and the vents are farther apart from each other, the bridge is gonna help you run everything so much more smoothly, and it's just a lot better that way, a lot more efficient. You're not gonna have disconnects and other issues. Whereas if you have a smaller house and you're only running one or two vents, maybe three vents, you might be able to get away with the puck, but I highly recommend the bridge. When I got my system, I only started with 3 vents, but then I upgraded to 10, and because it was so awesome with just those 3, and I'm lucky I did because this made it so much easier just to upgrade without having to, go buy one then and try to re-update things. So I would start off with the bridge and then get pucks for the rooms. Now what the pucks do is it's basically a thermostat for every single room, okay? You can use an ecobee sensor, and I do have some ecobee sensors in some of my rooms where I just want to automate everything. But the rooms I'm in most, I like to have the puck because you just set the puck to the temperature. You can just put it right on the wall. There's little slots here, or you can tape it to the wall, whatever you want to do. And or you can just set this on your desk, whatever. As soon as you walk in your room, you just grab this, turn it to the right temperature you want, and all of a sudden your vents are going to open up or they're going to close. It senses when you're there, it senses when you're away. Just super awesome, super convenient to have the pucks in every single room, at least the ones that you're in the most. You can also click this and then go through a bunch of different settings as well, so you don't have to go through your phone, go onto the app and adjust a bunch of different things, okay? The reason why the puck is so awesome is just that it just gives you the convenience of having it right there, not having to go into your phone. I'm going to show you the app real quick. It's super simple, super easy to use. And what you're seeing on the screen is you're seeing, for example, the living room's set to away, the office is set to away, the bedroom 1, bedroom 2 are both at 72, and the bedroom 3 is at 66. The thermostat during the day is set to about 68-ish. So right now it's not even running. But let's just say later on someone sets it to 73. What's going to happen is the office and the living room, if those are still out of way, they're not going to open. The bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, they're going to open up until they reach 72. And then that bedroom 3 will close when it's at 66. So as you can see, you can set different rooms to different temperatures, and those vents are going to open to different settings, or if you're away, it's not going to affect that room. Pretty awesome. All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this review, which is the actual vent system. And guys, this thing is awesome. Let me explain to you how this works and show you how it works. Basically, you have a vent, and right now you can see this one's closed. I'm going to show you how this works. Right now, you're going to see a vent going from open to closed, and what that means is, for example, if the room that this was in was set at 70 degrees and it reaches that temperature, it is now closing because it's reached the temperature that you wanted that room at. Now it's done. It's going to close this. It's going to close this vent, leaving other ones open possibly. Let's just say that this was in your upstairs room and now you're in your basement and you wanted your basement cooler. It's going to close this one and direct more of the airflow towards your basement while not wasting air in the room. You already got to the right temperature, okay? Now, in my own experience, this has been a life changer for me. I live in a 3-story townhouse, and there'd be times where the upstairs room, where I'm not even in, is like 85 degrees, and I'm working in my office downstairs, and it's like 74 degrees in there, and I want to cool that room down to like 70. Before I had these, guess what I was doing, guys? I was running it to 70, and I'd either have to sit there and then pay attention. Oh, now my room's freezing. I have to turn the air conditioner off, go into the app, or run upstairs to the thermostat, turn it down, and then all of a sudden it would get hot again. I'd have to go repeat over and over and over again. It just got super annoying, super inconvenient. And the other thing that would happen is if I wasn't there manually micro adjusting it, is it would just run from, if I wanted the downstairs to be 70, it would just run the whole entire house for like an hour or two for that upstairs room that was 85 to make that down to 70 as well, and waste all kinds of electricity upstairs and downstairs, and not even making any sense because now my room downstairs is way too cold, the room upstairs is way too hot. It just was not efficient, didn't make any sense. As soon as I got these things, guys, my life has changed forever. It is honestly, I'm not exaggerating. It's honestly probably my best investment I've made in the last 3 to 5 years for my house, because now when I'm not upstairs, those vents are closed. I'm not wasting any money. I'm not wasting any air up there. My air conditioner runs like 10 to 15 minutes to cool off my downstairs room that I want to be at 70, while not running for 2 hours to try to cool off a room that I'm not even in the first place. So that has been a game changer. I mean, it's made my house so much more comfortable. And the other thing that's cool about this, guys, is it has a back pressure protection system on it, where it's not going to close every single vent in your house except for the one. It's going to close a certain amount of them and leave a certain amount open, just to make sure that you don't have any problems with your HVAC and stuff like that. But it still does so much to make sure that your whole house is even. Like, you can, like, there's just so many different things that you can use this for. So many different scenarios. I'm just gonna give you one more. Like, there's a person in my house that likes their room to be like 73 degrees or 74 degrees. I only like mine to be 71. And what this is nice for is in the wintertime, for example, when I have this thing running, mine will close as soon as it hits 71. Theirs continues to run until it's 74 before theirs closes. So you don't have to deal with, you have all the dad jokes about don't mess with the thermostat. Well, now you don't have those dad jokes anymore, because guess what? Everyone's room can be a certain temperature that they like, and it's not going to run up the heating bill. It's not going to run up the air conditioning bill, because it's just so much more efficient. And that has to be my favorite thing about this, guys, is it's just changed the whole entire scenario when it comes to the heating and cooling of my house. And it's hard. I could talk about this forever. I don't want to, so I'm going to end this right now. But I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.